Hello my dear children of class 8. Hope all of you are doing well. Today we are going to continue with our chapter light. Please come to page number 72. See, what is a refractive index? The ratio of the speed of light in air or vacuum to the speed of light in another medium is known as refractive index of that medium. Refractive index is a ratio. Ratio of what? Ratio of the speed. Speed of light in one medium and speed of light in another medium. Alright. Now, in case of refractive index of a medium, we consider the speed of light in vacuum to the speed of light in that medium. Now, refractive index gives the amount by which the speed of light gets reduced and the amount by which the light ray is refracted. See, there are some refractive indexes of some mediums are given in table 5.1. Let us check that. See, the refractive index table is given here. Air is having refractive index of near about 1 and diamond is having the maximum refractive index of 2.42. Alright. That means the ratio of speed of light in air by speed of light in diamond is equal to 2.42. Now since it is more than 1, that means the speed of light in air is more than the speed of light in diamond. So light travels slowly inside diamond. If it is more than air, that means it more than 1, that means it will travel slowly in that medium. Alright. Next we come to mirage. Now what is a mirage? While driving on highway on a sunny hot afternoon, you have seen a puddle of water a few hundred meters ahead of the road. Also in some cartoon channels also you will see that sometimes in a desert the oasis appears to be in a place originally which it is not. Alright. Ahead little bit of the original place. However, when you reach that spot, the water disappears and seems to have shifted further ahead. This kind of illusion is known as a mirage. Alright. Now, a mirage is caused by the refraction of light rays due to differing temperatures of the air above the road. Whenever there is a change in temperature, then a mirage is caused. See, in desert areas also, the nearer part which is closer to the desert surface, that is hotter compared to the part which is more above. Alright. The heat from the sun heats up the surface of the road. This raises the temperature of the air just above the road surface, causing it to become less dense. Now, as this warm air rises, it creates different layers of air with different temperatures. Now, as you can see in figure 5.5, the image, the formation of a mirage is given. See, the person is standing over there. There are different layers of air with different temperatures. Now, the person should see the image in this way. That is the real image. But what happens as the ray of light travels from here to here, this ray of light suffers refraction and it bends down as it is moving from rarer medium to denser medium because of the different densities of layer. So this person cannot follow this bent path and the person follows this path of light and the object appears to be over here. This is how the mirage is created. Alright. I will give you a note on this mirage. You will have to copy it down in your copies. Alright. How a mirage is formed. Next, let us come to refraction through a glass slab. See children, A, B, C, D is a glass slab. This is air, this is glass, this is again air. Now a ray of light PQ is falling on the glass slab on AB surface. Okay. Now as soon as it falls at Q, Q is the point of incidence and PQ is the incident ray. So at this point Q, I will draw a normal 90 degree. Okay, this is N dashed normal. Alright. This angle between the normal and the incident ray is known as angle I, angle of incidence. Now as soon as the ray of light from air to it moves on to glass, since it is moving from rarer medium to denser medium, it will move towards the normal. See, bending towards the normal. This is the law of refraction you have learned. That is the rules of refraction. As a ray of light moves from air to glass or rarer medium to denser medium, it will bend towards the normal. Alright. See, it has suffered a bend. It has come closer to the normal. So this angle will be angle R, angle of refraction. Okay. So again this ray of light moves straight until it meets that surface, again from where glass it will move to air. So at this point I have named it as R. Again at R I have drawn a normal M dashed. Okay. Now this small angle R and this small angle R will be equal because these two sides of the glass slab, rectangular glass slab, is parallel. So these two will be alternate angles. Now again, as the ray of light is moving from glass to air, that is from denser medium to rarer medium, it will bend away from the normal. See, you can see that it has bent away from the normal. So RS is the line ray of light which is bending away from the normal, and angle E is the angle of emergence. Okay. Now originally the ray of light should have moved like this, in this manner, that is, say PK. Originally the ray of light should have moved in this manner, and this line, this gap, this distance is known as lateral displacement, because the ray of light has displaced from this position and it has come to this position. So this is known as lateral displacement. So this is what happens when a ray of light moves in this manner. Hope you are clear with it, children. This is known as refraction of light through a glass slab. Alright, I will give you the activity number. You will have to draw it in your copies. So children, I hope you are clear with the refraction through glass slab diagram. Whatever diagram I have given you, you will have to draw it in your copy. The exact figure is not given in your book, and mirage diagram is also there in the book. I will give you a short note on mirage. So please just go through the topics that I have mentioned today and complete the diagrams in your copies. Alright. Thank you, class. We will meet again in the next video session.